Hi guys, we're using this B&W Gooseneck Hitch ball extender for reviewing purposes. So I'm gonna take it out of the box first. It comes very well protected with foam, so it's nice. Set it part in. Obviously, it is quite heavy. Okay. And here it is. Okay. As you can see, it has this anti-rust and corrosion resistant black coat of paint, which is quite nice. And this gooseneck ball provides up to 20,000 pounds of load capacity and 5,000 pounds of vertical load capacity, which is quite nice. And it can help you to make more easy turns as it is a ball extender to the turnoverball of the gooseneck. The offset ball of the gooseneck moves the trailer pivot 4 inches back, as you can see, to allow to make clearance between the gooseneck trailer and the truck cab, which allows you to make some sharper turns and, well, no more crunches of cables, stuff like that. This gooseneck extender is quite nice because it can be easily and quickly removed from the hitch, which is quite nice because sometimes you need extra clearance when you're going on a harsh road, which is quite nice. And as you can see, it's very easily attachable in this post, which is quite nice. It's very firm, which I like. It's solid, so it doesn't be any danger when using it. So as you can see, it's really nice. I will really recommend it.